And I want to encourage you.
Sirikand County ma Siaya ochako chenro mar chwalo nyithi rech nembe mayudore e county no koting'o nyaka nam ma Kanyaboli mar konyo jiwo pith mar rech. Kata kamano, gavana ma Siaya James Orengo ogolo ote ewi keto rech go e nam lolwe, kata nyiso to mar ewi keto rech go e nam lolwe kaluwore kod weche mag arita to kod monj mitimo kinde ka kinde kod apisa mawuok e piny mar Uganda. Orengo ne owuoyo e nyasi mar dhialo odiechieng' mar pith mar rech manotimore e gwenge ma Leunda. Omedo jiwo sirikal mondo otiek ywaruok e kind jolupo to kod obila mawuok e piny Uganda.
The most important thing which I want to say on this occasion about the security in the lake, Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania are members of this sovereign community. They are members of this sovereign community. And they have already started a process of having a union, some kind of federal system that will bring together the nations of East Africa, East and Central Africa. And the community is growing bigger. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is there. Sudan, South Sudan is there. And recently, even Somalia became part of the East African community. It does not augur well. And looking into the future, it does not look right that this common resource, if Kenyans cannot exploit it as a common resource for the community, if Tanzanians cannot be able to use this resource as a common resource for the community, if Ugandans cannot use it as a common resource, then it shows that the will to have a union for East and Central Africa, a federal system, it shows that the road is still very far.